What if I told you the way you start your morning plays a huge role in determining whether your day will be productive or not? In today's video, I'll be going over 5 morning habits to boost your health and energy. Habit 1. Hydrate immediately. One of the most effective but overlooked habits is to hydrate immediately upon waking up. After a long night's sleep, your body is often mildly dehydrated. Drinking water first thing in the morning kickstarts your metabolism, helping your body flush out toxins and prepare your digestive system for the day ahead. This initial hydration can significantly boost your energy levels, making you feel more alert and ready to tackle your tasks. Habit 2. Morning stretching. Incorporating morning stretching into your routine can work wonders for your body and brain. Spending just 5 to 10 minutes stretching each morning can significantly improve your flexibility and circulation, making you feel better for the day ahead. Stretching helps to wake up your muscles and joints, promoting blood flow and oxygen delivery throughout your body. Not to mention that stretching first thing in the morning has proven to help lower cortisol levels. By loosening up your muscles, you'll find that you feel more energized and ready to take on the day. This increased energy can improve your focus and productivity, making it easier to tackle your tasks. Habit 3. Healthy breakfast. A nutritious breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. Starting your day with a balanced meal is essential for sustained energy and overall well-being. Foods like oatmeal, eggs, and fresh fruits are excellent choices that provide the nutrients your body needs to function optimally. A balanced breakfast fuels your body for the day ahead, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent energy crashes. I have gone over the top breakfast foods that increase energy, so make sure you watch that video after this one to find out which breakfast foods you should be eating. Habit 4. Mindfulness or meditation. Taking the time to meditate can be a game changer for your mental clarity and focus. Starting your day with just 5 minutes of meditation can help you tackle the day ahead with a focused mind. This mental clarity not only enhances your ability to concentrate, but also improves your overall mood. Incorporating mindfulness into your morning routine can profoundly impact your day. So take a few minutes each morning to meditate and watch how it transforms your mental landscape. Habit 5. Physical activity. Incorporating physical activity into your morning routine is a fantastic way to kickstart your day and boost your overall health. Whether it's a quick jog, a calming yoga session, or a quick workout, getting your body moving in the mornings is essential for energy levels and mood. Exercise is known to release endorphins, often referred to as the feel-good hormones. These natural chemicals help elevate your mood and create a sense of well-being, making you feel more energized and ready to face the day. Just a short session of physical activity can significantly enhance your focus and productivity throughout the morning. The key to getting the long-term benefits of exercise is consistency, so make it a regular part of your morning routine. I'll make sure to make a video explaining the best exercises for overall health. You now have a morning routine that enhances your physical health and also your mental well-being. If you found this video helpful, I'd be very appreciative if you could show some love and subscribe to our channel. You'll also be in for more tips on living a healthier, happier, and longer life. Thank you for watching.